Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be designing my chip bag template. First, we're going to start off with the file. You're going to receive a file from me that says thank you. You're just going to double click on that file, and everything on here is clickable. You can click for the YouTube, you want tutorials, Canva, anything like that, you can click on that. And then the best part is just click on that link and it will take you directly to my template, and then you just scroll down, edit template, and it's going to take you directly to a template that looks just like this. And then you can start editing your template. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And now here's the design that I'm going to do, because I have a order for a Bluey chip bag. So this is me just designing it. You see that you do have backgrounds. You can add gradient colors if you need to. You can add gradient to the background if you need to on this template. So it is pretty cool, pretty user friendly, and it comes pre-designed when you do purchase it. So if you're a beginner, it's pretty easy to start. And for like stuff like this, if you want to get like PNGs that are transparent, they are available on Google. You are going to see me go and get that in a couple seconds. And then the font that I got was from the font, I believe, thefont.com, if I'm not wrong, or myfont.com. But this is me just getting the files from Google to get them transparent. Some of them did not come transparent, but Canva Pro does have the option where you can remove the background. So it is easy if you have Canva Pro. If not, try to look for a file that's on Google that has a transparent background already, just to make your life easy. You know, you can create borders around your templates, your SVGs or PNGs if you need to. But this is me just designing the chip bags. Just watch really briefly while I design it, and then I'll get to the actual thing. And I also just wanted to add right here that I do have pre-designed stuff like this on my previous like chip bags. So I just kind of like copied them over and just edit them to my template that I have right here. So the theme of the party, which was Bluey. And my QR code is editable as well. If you guys need a QR code, it is on flowcode.com or flowpage.com. You can actually add your links there as well if you need to, and I'll link that below as well. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to print my design, and I'm going to print it on my Epson 2850 or 8850. It doesn't matter. I just have an EcoTank Epson. Just make sure when you're printing on glossy setting. It can be standard or high gloss. I use standard for this, and you can see it came out perfectly. And all you have to do is just start folding your design. I start from the bottom up, so that's why you see me changing it around. And because it's easier for me that way, I assemble from the bottom up, and you're gonna see why in a second. But this is me. I seal the middle first. I do not, and I repeat, I do not seal the ends until the chip bag is in there, and I'm gonna show you why I don't seal it until the end. I'm gonna give you a very good example. But when you do have the chip bag open like this, all you have to do is just enter your chip. It doesn't matter if it's like a fat chip or anything like that. As long as it's a 1 ounce chip bag, it should fit in this on a letter size paper perfectly. And then if it's a little bit like on a puffy side, you just flatten it down, but just like this. Just kind of like roll it. Don't squeeze too hard on the paper, because you remember, it's just paper, guys. It can break. You don't want to dent it. You want it so perfect. And then I'm going to seal the ends. But before I seal the ends, I'm going to show you that you can do more than just add like chip bags to this. You can add so many different things to it, like applesauce, Play-Dohs, mini chip bags. You can add like different variations of that. It doesn't have to be a 1 ounce chip bag. Anything that you can put in here, you can actually use, as long as it's just not like heavy. If you're going to use something heavy, I would definitely recommend just using a thicker size photo paper, but this works perfect for anything like you wanted to put in. And then this is right here is why you don't put in the chip bag prior to sealing the bottom. Do you see how hard it is for me to just get it flat again when it was so easy before? I had to struggle to put that chip bag in when it went in so easily, because I had access to the bottom and the top and it had space. So now all you have to do is just seal the top. Sealing is a satisfying part to me, but a lot of people just love this part, where is that you push the sides in, not too hard, just to get that authentic chip bag look, and then you add your pinking cherries to make it extra authentic with that look, because all chip bags come with those ends, so it makes it look pretty authentic. And you have different type of pinking cherries that you can use. It doesn't have to be this design, but that is it. That's all you need for a chip bag. If you need to get your crimped edge, I will add that link in the bio, but I didn't add it to this one because it has lines. But look how amazing it came out. If you guys need more tutorials, definitely go ahead and follow my page. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.